The videos on this channel have been prepared to give you the summary information you need during your traveling. By downloading the free travel checklist in the description section to your phone, you can easily access the essential information you may need on your trip. London is an important center for tourists around the world. Flights to America usually take 7 to 8 hours, while the distance to Europe is around 1 to 2 hours. Traveling to China usually requires a flight of 10 to 12 hours. Therefore, London is accessible for both American and European tourists, and is also an important transit point for visitors from the Far East. General information. London, the capital and largest city of England, is situated on the River Thames. Its climate is temperate maritime with mild summers and mild winters. The best time to visit is spring and autumn. The currency is the British pound sterling, and 1 British pound is approximately equivalent to 1.24 US dollars. Holiday advice. Shopping. Theater. Museum. Top 5 best dishes. Fish and chips. Sunday roast. Pie and mash. Afternoon tea. Full English breakfast. Top 5 restaurants. The Ledbury. Dish Whom. Sketch. places to visit. Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament. Tower Bridge. Buckingham Palace. British Museum. Tate Modern. Top 5 Hotel. The Ritz, London. The Savoy. Shangri-La Hotel. St. Pancras Renaissance Hotel. The Dorchester. Transport choices. London Underground. Double-decker buses. London Taxi. Some popular posts on social media. Thank you for watching.